cause I'm a lady.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Friday evening and I'm doing some cleaning, but I realized how MIA was from you guys, so I decided to vlog. So guys, after my birthday vlog, I was kind of busy doing some work stuff, work related things, so I didn't get a chance to do the videos I had planned to do. So those are still coming up, guys, don't worry. Anyways, I am doing some cleaning. I am, you know, just weekending whatever that is. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye. So I am currently folding my laundry. Yeah, so that is my situation. So I already did this bed, but I'm going to a farm tomorrow, so I'm gonna pack my stuff. And I got my dresser to do. That is a mess. And I got more laundry, so.
Okay, after all.
Yep. Alright guys, so I have finished my room, my dressers, clean, it's organized. As you guys can see now. Tidy because I'm gonna sleep, but it's not either up. And I hung my lights and that says dream-ish. And my bed is clean. I got my things I'm gonna be carrying tomorrow. And my guider's uniform. Yeah. And I also did my hair. I tried to do my hair. So yeah. Hi guys. By the way, I am trying out a new skincare thingy. I'm trying, so my eyes are terrible, so yes guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. So guys, it is Saturday morning and I'm ready. It's about 6:30 on the dot, so yeah, I am ready for this forum, guys. Let me show you my uniform. It's a normal. Got this uniform. Yeah. I look like a police officer, like seriously. Yes, guys, so yeah, I am going to Kingston. We're going to this guys meeting, and yeah, I did my hair up in this little wrap thingy. This is not my real hair though. Yeah, it's not my real hair, but yeah, and these little thingies at the side. I wanted to try this style, so I did, and I think I like it. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Anyways, kind of did some makeup and stuff like that as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the road.
All right. I want to thank those persons. Wow. Young and strong. Come on, see this face over here.
Guys, so updates. The conference has begun. But guys, catch this. It's so pretty. And Dylan has his next stop.
It must have the resources that you need, and then you must be able to measure it. So guys, you have to come back to the drawing board occasionally and say, where are we with these goals? And not that you're waiting on the yearly conference to realize that nothing was done. It says, Almighty God, thank you for enabling me to discover my purpose in life. Thank you for expanding my mind with such a powerful vision. May your declarations and decrees come to pass through the works of my hands. Bless me with the wisdom and strength to fulfill my purpose and advance the vision, and in this case, of the Girl Guides. Endow me with the knowledge and understanding to care for other people around me, and help me to adhere to the organic laws of leadership and the Leadership Manifesto.
This is Devin House's party.
Oh, praise the Lord.
Hey guys, so I am back home and I washed my hair. Now I'm gonna try and style it. My hair is pretty damaged, so I got some new things I wanted to try for my hair. I bought this African Pride Shea Butter Miracle thingy. You guys can see that. It's growth oil something. I needed to try some things with my hair, and I got this thing. I don't know how well it works. It's a curl control defining curl pudding thingy. So it's a free sample. Just wanted to try it. I got it at the pharmacy, so I'm gonna try that. And I bought a new oil. I'm gonna try that too. So yeah. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So we're going to church. We're heading to church now. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back or during service. Sunday evening, and I'm gonna end this vlog here because I think it's time. Anyways, so just want to say sorry guys for all the week I haven't posted anything. I wanted to post on Monday, didn't get to do that. I have been doing some work related stuff, and that has been keeping up my time for this whole week. I am done with part of it, so I know probably I'll get to do some videos for next week. Hope you guys enjoy this weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, baby.